Hello guys, it's the world and today I'm going to show you how to hack a Pixel on 3D. So let's get into it. So first you want to go to apps, go to Google Chrome. You have to pause it for a second. Now you want to search Pixel 3D, coin generator, no offers, and no survey. This should be the site. Now click the hack here. Now type in your username. Now go type in any number. If you want infinite health, you can do yes or no, but that would take the fun out of the game. So I'm gonna say no. So peace out guys, like and subscribe and enjoy your coins and gems.